There's more to complex dent repair than just getting behind a dent and pushing blindly. It takes extreme focus, patience, and a deep understanding of the way metal moves. This process should only be attempted by a technician with years of training and the patience to take the proper steps to ensure a flawless finish. Deep, complex bodyline damage such as this can be an inexperienced tech's worst nightmare. What may look like chaos to an untrained eye is a carefully planned, well-orchestrated dance of relieving pressure and moving metal. When this process is performed correctly, the results often seem like magic and they're flawless.